Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna look how to make that kind of the industrial floor with the metallic tiles like presented in my work. Like here I'll give you free style files for the floor tiles, and that also will be presented that kind of a file for that hatch with the metallic grill on the top of it. So I'll give you all the paints, all the materials and all the technique needed to repeat it for your work. So let's go! Alright, let's start. So I have that diorama. See, I decide that space here is too little, and generally I just cut it into two pieces. Here the first part and here the second part, and actually I expect to extend it like that. This for now is just primered, and this is just glued that. I have printed kind of industrial floor tiles. Let's just map approximately how they expect to be clear. And then I'm just using the PVA glue to glue them in. Alright, let's wait until it dries. And we could apply the glue, and we could apply some pieces to the second part. I'm using the Panzer Dark Gray, actually together with Wolf Gray color. Alright, our paint almost dried. What I'm doing, I will add those corrosion, galvanic corrosion texture, rust texture, this one from Vallejo as well. So alright, everything dry now. I also applied some one thin layer of the matte varnish there, and we are ready for the final step now. That would be dry brushing with the natural steel. I'm focusing on the both heads and the edges. Alright, now that's look. When I install everything, kind of the final, I could apply some dry pigments to join that all together. Plus, I applied here some kind of the gloss varnish, but now that's not glossy anymore. Gloss varnish there, actually covering some pieces where this shiny gloss is expected. Alright, and here's our final result of the floor, how we made it. That's pretty realistic, and that's pretty fine for placing all your diorama parts on it. You can also put some kind of a trash and the garbage in the corner there. Also, I'm giving you that kind of sticking pipes out of the floor to use that for your cables and sort of that. You can put some of the tails like lined separately. That also looks pretty cool. Then those glossy parts with our varnish looks very organically and nicely. And I'm giving you a file for the hatch in the floor, and that also could be used with the metallic grill on the top. Thanks for watching, and if you wanna any other reviews or any other props how I'm making that for my work, please leave a comment and I'll definitely try to help you with that. So, thank you and bye bye.